Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Vintage Baseball Card Packs. Today I have a 2006 Series 1 Upper Deck pack for you. Not sure what you call this type of pack. Guess they're calling it a fat pack, a super value. So it's like a rack pack with two sleeves in it. 2006 Series 1. It says 30 cards with 3 exclusive bonus cards. And at some point, it was $4.99 selling for. At a later point, it was selling for half off at $2.48. Then at a card show, it was selling for $2. And I think I got a little bit less than $2. So here we have it. And let's open it up and let's see what 2006 holds for us. So while I'm opening this up, please be sure to hit the like button if you like these type of videos, and please hit the subscribe button so you can see more of these type of videos. And let's see what we got. I don't think anything too notable in 2006 out of these packs. Just hoping for some Hall of Famers and just to check out these cards and see what they look like. So, it'll be hard to read here. Jeremy Reed is our first card, Upper Deck 2006. We have Clausen. I wasn't watching too much baseball around this time, so I don't know all these players, but bear with me. Is Torres, Vargas, Koo, Roop. Nice pictures that Upper Deck is known for. Lee, Gonzalez, Luis Gonzalez, Dave Roberts, Jack Wilson, David Wells, Scott Baker, Myrow. Here we go. Nope, Todd Walker. I was thinking this is Larry Walker, but Todd Walker. J.P. Howell. And then we have Curt Schilling, Upper Deck team. All Upper Deck team. So I guess that's probably the best card out of these. Nothing notable at all out of these. But nice picture work and nice. I've never opened up a 2006 Upper Deck, so this is my first time seeing 2006 Upper Deck. So it's always interesting to see the years and see what the designs are like. So, see if we can pull a Hall of Famer out of here. Chris Carpenter is our second Upper Deck all Upper Deck team. And then we got Ryan Howard, who had a good career, but kind of fizzled out a little bit. Rodrigo Lopez. Johan Santana, nice pitcher. We got Michael Young, Woodyard, Sheffield, Gary Sheffield, Brad Asmus, Hatberg, B.J. Ryan, not Nolan Ryan, Yimerson, Gonzalez, Alex Gonzalez, Belliard, Pat Burrell, Tejada, Miguel Tejada, and Roy Oswalt. I would say this is probably the best card in the pack. So, not a lot going on in 2006, but we have this nice Roy Oswalt card. And then we got these two all Upper Deck team cards. So that's what a 2006 Series 1 Upper Deck pack looks like. So hope you enjoyed, and please hit the like button and please hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned, plenty more pack opening videos.